Hello student. Last time we discussed about the method to find out square root, division method to find out square root of any number. Okay. Now today we discuss about method, which division method. We find out which number, if the given number is not perfect square, which number you just add, otherwise which number you just subtract to get perfect square number. Okay. First about subtraction. Suppose one number is there, that is 1300. Okay, 1300, 1300, that is not perfect square. Now which number you just subtract from that one to get perfect square number? So what to do? First we use division method. 1300, make pair of 2's from ones place. Okay, two pairs are there, then start division method. Okay, 13 is there, so just find out square of a number which is less than 30. 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Okay, so that is 3, 3, and here 9. 13 minus 9, that is 4. Okay, and here double of 3, that is 6. Now here dash and here dash, we just put same. Now 2 zeros comes down here, 400. Okay, now here 6, here and here you just put a number which is less than 400. Directly I just put 6 and 6, because 66 6 are, that is 396. Okay, and subtraction is 4. Okay, 4 number is there, so that is here 36 is there, means 36 square. After squaring of 36, okay, subtract 36 square, we are having 4 remaining, means 36 square is less than 1300, because after dividing 36 square we are having 4 remainder. So 36 square is less than our number, that is 1300. Okay, mean, and here 4 is remainder, means after subtracting 4, subtract the remainder from given number, we get perfect square number. Okay, subtract the remainder, we get perfect square from this one. Okay, that means 1300 square minus 4, 4 is our remainder, equal to, that is 1296, and 1296 which is square of 36. Okay, and square root of that one is 1296, square root of that one is 36, square means 36. Okay, so your answer is 4. Okay, if you don't understand this one, what to do? You just write down 36 and 1300 minus square of this number, 36 square. So 1300 minus 1296 equal to 4. Directly we just get the remainder, means subtract 4, just subtract 4 from 1300 to get perfect square number. Okay, that means just subtract remainder from given number to get perfect square number in division method. Okay, now in addition, what to do? We take same example, 1300. Okay, same here, 1300 double, here 3 3s are 9, 4 00 comes down, double of this one is 6 dash dash 6 6 are, that is 396, and divide. Okay, 4 is there. That means 36 square is less than 1300. Okay, less than is there, right? But 1300 is less than 37 square, means next number of this one, next number is of this one. Okay, so which number you just add to that one to get perfect square? That is 36 is there, so next one is 37. 37 square minus 1300. What to do? You just take square of this one. Okay, square of division. Okay, square minus 1300. Okay, square of quotient you just get plus 1, quotient plus 1 square minus 1300. 37 square, that is 1369 minus 1300 equal to, you are having 69. Means you just add 69 into 1300 to get perfect square number. Okay, so add 69 in 1300 to get perfect square number. Okay, so in subtraction what to do? Just subtract remainder from our number to get perfect square number. And in addition, just add one number into quotient, okay, plus 1, and find out square of that number minus our number. Quotient plus 1 square means here 36 is there. So next one is 37. 37 square minus our number 37, 1300. Okay, so here you get a number which you just add into 1300 to get perfect square number. Okay, now square root of decimals. Okay, when the decimals are given, how to find out square root of decimal numbers? There are two methods. We are having two methods. Okay, prime factorization method and division method. First we find out the division method. Look, 17.64, and you want to find out square root of that number. So in division method what to do? Same method is there, 17.64. okay, you just make pair of 2's from last digit of right side. Okay, here, so two pairs are there again. Then start, 17 is there, so find out a number whose square is less than 17, so that is 4 4s are 16. Okay, so write down 4 4s are 16. Now here 1. Okay, and double of 4 is 8. Now here some numbers, here some numbers. Okay, now take 64 down here. Okay, before 64 here decimal is there, so what to do? Put decimal here. You just put decimal here. Okay, 164. Now put a number here and same number here to get 164. So that is 2, and here 2, number 164, and answer is 0 0. So what's the number here? That is 4.2. Your answer is 4.2. Okay, one more example. Look, suppose 23.04, and you want to find out square root of that number. So what to do? 23.04, make pair of here and write down bar on that pairs. Okay, same here, start the leftmost bar, that is 23. Okay, now just find out the least number, okay, whose square is less than 23. Okay, so 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25, so 16 is there. So 4 4s are 16. So okay, subtraction, subtract 23 and 16, that is 7. Okay, now here double of 4, that is 8, here dash, and take 0 4 here. Okay, before 0 4 here decimal point is there, so put decimal here. Okay, now 8 dash into dash, and you just 704. Okay, find out that number. So here 4 is there. There are two possibility. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and 8 8s are. Okay, you just check both one. Here we get 8 8s are, so 88 8s are 704, 0 0 0. So answer is 4.8. Okay, that is decimal, square root of decimal with division method. Okay, now same, suppose 17.64 decimal number is there, and you want to find out with prime factorization method. That time what to do? just write down 764 divided by 100, means in rational form. Okay, then want to find out square root of that number, so factorize both numbers, means find out prime factors of both number. First 100, that is 2 50s are 2 25s are 5 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay, here pair. Here 1764 is there, so 1764 with 2s are 8 2s are 16, again 8 2s are and 2, again 2s are, that is 4 4 1, then 3s are 3 1s are 3 3 4s are and 7s are, again 3, that is 4 3s are and 9s are, then 7 7s are and 7 1s are. Make pair of 2s here. Okay, so square root of 1764 divided by 100, the square root of here square of 2 square, write down into square form, that is 3 square and 7 square divided by here 2 square and 5 square. Now remove square and square root of both one. Okay, so 2 and 3 and 7, and denominator side 2 into 5. 7 3s are 21, 2s are 42 divided by 5 2s are 10. 42 divided by 10, that is 4.2. Okay, same here, look. Okay, so these are the methods to find out square root of decimals, and before that one we see the methods to find out a number, okay, which you add otherwise subtract from that number to get perfect square number. Okay, now exercise 6.4 we do in the next video. Okay, thank you.